Friends, welcome to class 10 Max online class. How are you all? Hope you are all fine at home. In earlier class, we learned distance between 2 points. So first one, A x1 0, B x2 0. Distance between these 2 points, absolute value of x2 minus x1. And second one, distance between 0 comma y1 and 0 comma y2 is absolute value of y2 minus y1. And third one, distance between any 2 points a x1 y1 b x2 y2 is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But today I am going to explain about based on distance formula problems. Coming to first question, check whether the 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. What are the given points? 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So coming to solution. So draw a triangle and locate vertex, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Here A 5 comma minus 2, B 6 comma 4 and C 7 comma minus 2. Now next step, let the points 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are representing the vertices A, B and C of the given triangle respectively. We know that the distance between 2 points given by the distance formula root over square root of x1 minus x2 whole square y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the given distance formula. Now let us find distance between A and B. So what are the coordinates of or what are the points of A and B? Here A 5 comma minus 2 and B 6 comma 4. So write down the coordinates. X1 is equals to 5, y1 equals to minus 2, x2 equals to 6, y2 equals to 4. So substituting these coordinates in the given distance formula. Now AB is equals to square root of x1 minus x2 means 5 minus 6 whole square, 5 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus y2 minus 2 minus 4 whole square. This is written as 5 minus 6, 5 minus 6. So 5 minus 6 equals to minus 1. So 5 minus 6 whole square means minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 we get minus 6. Minus 2 minus 4 whole square means minus 6 whole square. Now next step, 5 my root over 5 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square written as square root of minus 1 square plus minus 6 square. Now next step, minus 1 square means 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus minus 6 square means minus 6 into minus 6 plus 36. This is written as square root of 1 plus 36. We get square root of 37. Now distance between B and C. Distance between B and C. So write down the points of B and C. So B 6 comma 4 and C 7 comma minus 2. 7 comma minus 2. So write down the coordinates. X1 equal to 6, y1 equals to 4, x2 is equals to 7, y2 equals to minus 2. So replace these coordinates in the given distance formula. We know that distance formula is square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now BC is equals to square root of 6 minus 7 means x1 minus x2 whole square, 6 minus 7 whole square plus y1 minus y2, 4 minus of minus 2, 4 minus of minus 2 equals to 4 minus of minus 2 whole square. Now next step, 6 minus 7 we get minus 1. 6 minus 7 whole square equals to minus 1 whole square, plus 4 minus into minus plus, so minus into minus plus, so 4 plus 2 whole square. This is written as square root of minus 1 square plus 6 square. Now next step, minus 1 square means 1 plus 6 square means 6 into 6, 36. This is written as square root of 1 plus 36. Next step, square root of 1 plus 36 equals to square root of 37. So let us find distance between A and C. So what are the coordinates of, or what are the points of A and C? A is equals to 5 comma minus 2 and C is equals to 7 comma minus 2. So write down the coordinates. What are the coordinates? x1 is equals to 5, y1 is equals to minus 2 and x2 is equals to 7 and y2 is equals to minus 2. So replace the coordinates in the given distance formula. We know that the distance formula is root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now CA, so represents distance between C and A, is equals to square root of x1 minus x2, 5 minus 7, x1 minus x2 means 5 minus 7 whole square plus y1 minus y2, y1 value minus 2 minus of y2 value minus 2. Minus of minus means we get plus. This is written as minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Now next step, square root of 5 minus 7 whole square plus minus 2 plus 2 whole square written as 5 minus 7 we get minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 plus 2 we get 0. So square root of minus 2 square plus 0 square. Minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 0 square means 0 and 0, 0. So 4 plus 0 equals to 4 root over 4. Root over 4 is written as 2 units because square root of 4 equals to 2. Now next step, from the above values of AB, BC and AC. So now what do you observe? AB, BC and AC values. We conclude AB equal to BC. AB equals to BC as two sides are equal. As two sides are equal. So two sides are equal means distance between AB and BC are equal. In a triangle, two sides are equal. That must be isosceles triangle. So here ABC is an isosceles triangle. Are you clear? So coming to next question. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D. Shown in the figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class. Champa and Chameli walk into the class. So after observing for a few minutes, Champa asked Chameli, "Do not you think ABCD is a square?" But Chameli disagrees. Okay, so what is the given condition? 4 friends are there. Here 4 friends are A, B, C and D. But Champa and Chameli walk into the classroom. After observing for few minutes, Champa asked Chameli, "Don't you think about ABCD is a square?" ABCD is a square. So coming to solution part. Look at the graph. Here A, B, C, D. So these are friends, 4 friends. Friends A, B, C and D. First you should find distance between AB, BC, CD and AD. So after that, diagonals AC and BD. AB, BC, CD, AD are equal and AC and BD also equal. Then these 4 friends are sit in the square shape place. Otherwise, not. Are you clear? So coming to solution part. Let A 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4 and D 6, 1 be the position of 4 friends. A, B, C, D are position of 4 friends. We know that distance between the 2 points is given by the distance formula root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Let us find AB, distance between A and B. Our A point B, 3, 4 and B 6, 7. So write down the coordinates. X1 equals to 3, Y1 is equals to 4, X2 is equals to 6, Y2 is equals to 7. So replace the coordinates in the given distance formula. AB, distance between A and B is equals to square root of x1 minus x2, 3 minus 6, x1 means 3, x2 means 6, x1 minus x2 is written as 3 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is written as 4 minus 7 whole square. Now next step, square root of 3 minus 6 whole square, 3 minus 6 we get minus 3, 3 minus 6 whole square means minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 7 means minus 3, 4 minus 7 whole square means minus 3 whole square. This is written as square root of minus 3 square plus minus 3 square. So minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3 we get plus 9. At the same time minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. This is written as square root of minus 3 square plus minus 3 square means root over 9 plus 9. Now next step, root over 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. Root over 18 is written as 3 into root 2. This is called simplest form. Root 18 is called root 18 is equals to 3 into root 2. Now next step, let us find distance between B and C. Here B 6, 7 and C 9, 4. B 6, 7 and C 9, 4. X1 is equals to 6, Y1 equal to 7, X2 is equals to 9, Y2 is equals to 4. Substitute these coordinates in given distance formula. We know that the distance formula is root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. X1 minus x2 means 6 minus 9. Y1 minus y2 means 7 minus 4. Now distance between B and C, BC is equals to square root of x1 minus x2, 6 minus 9 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square means 7 minus 4 whole square. Square root of 6 minus 9 means minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square means 3 square. This is written as square root of minus 3 square plus 3 square. Square root of minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 plus 3 square means 3 into 3 plus 9. This is written as square root of 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. So root over 18. Root over 18 is written as 3 into root 2. This is the simplest form. Now next one. Distance between C and D. What are the points of C and D? C 9, 4 and D 6, 1. So write down the coordinates. X1 equals to 9, Y1 equals to 4, X2 is equals to 6, Y2 is equals to 1. So replace the coordinates in the given distance formula. Now CD is equals to square root of x1 minus x2, 9 minus 6 whole square. X minus x1 minus x2 whole square means 9 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus y2 means 4 minus 1 whole square. This is written as square root of 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 6 whole square written as 3 square plus 4 minus 1 means 3. 4 minus 1 whole square means 3 square. Square root of 3 square plus 3 square. Next step, root over 3 square means 9 plus 3 square means 9 equals to root over 9 plus 9. Now next step, root over 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. This is written as root over 18. Root 18 is written as 3 into root 2. This is simplest form. Now let us find distance between A and D. So what are the points of A and D? Here A 3, 4 and D 6, 1. So write down the coordinates. X1 equal to 3, Y1 is equals to 4, X2 is equal to 6, Y2 is equals to 1. So replace the coordinates in the given distance formula. Now, AD is equals to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Here x1 minus x2 means 3 minus 6. x1 minus x2 whole square means 3 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is written as 4 minus 1 whole square. Now next step, 3 minus 6 whole square means minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square means 3 square. This is written as square root of minus 3 square plus 3 square. Now next step, minus 3 square means 9 plus 9 plus 3 square means plus 9. This is written as square root of 9 plus 9. Next step, root over 9 plus 9 is written as root over 18. Root 18 is written as 3 into root 2 units. Coming to next step. Let us find distance between A and C. So what are the points of A and C? A 3, 4 and C 9, 4. So write down the coordinates. Here x1 equals to 3, y1 equals to 4, x2 equals to 9, y2 equals to 4. So substitute the coordinates in the given distance formula. We know that the distance formula is root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So here AC represents diagonal. Diagonal AC is equals to square root of x1 minus x2 means 3 minus 9. x1 minus x2 whole square is as 3 minus 9 whole square plus y1 minus y2 means 4 minus 4 whole square. Now next step, square root of 3 minus 9 whole square is written as 3 minus 6 we get minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 4 means 0, 0 square. This is written as square root of minus 6 square plus 0 square. Minus 6 square means minus 6 into minus 6, 36 plus 0 square means 0. Root over 36 plus 0 equals to root of 36. So what is square root of root 36? Plus or minus 6 or 6. Now another diagonal BD. So find distance between BD. So write coordinates. Here B 6, 7 and D 6, 1. So coordinates x1 equal to 6, y1 equal to 7, x2 is equal to 6, y2 is equals to 1. So substitute the coordinates in the given distance formula. We know that the distance formula is root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now distance between the diagonal B and D equals to square root of x1 minus x2 means 6 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus y2 is written as 7 minus 1 whole square. So next step, square root of 6 minus 6 whole square means we get 0. 0 square means 0 always. Plus 7 minus 1 whole square. 7 minus 1 means we get 6. 6 square means 36. So this is written as square root of 0 square plus 6 square. So 0 square means 0 plus 6 square means 36. 0 plus 36 equals to 36. So root over 36 is written as 6 units. Now next one. The four sides AB, BC, CD and AD are of the same length and diagonals AC and BD are of the same length. Therefore, ABCD is a square, because in a quadrilateral, lengths of all sides are equal and diagonals also equal, then the quadrilateral must be a square. This is the conclusion. Now, so Champa was correct. Coming to next question. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. What is given question? Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reason for your answer. So given points: -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2, -3, 0. Coming to solution. So let us assume A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. A represents -1, -2, B 1, 0, C -1, 2 and D -3, 0. Now I have to find distance between AB, BC, CD and AD. And after that, diagonals AC and BD. So given quadrilateral is depend on distances of all sides and diagonals also. Let the points -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2 and -3, 0 be representing the vertices A, B, C and D of the given quadrilateral respectively. We know that the distance between 2 points is given by the distance formula. Distance formula: root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So let us find distance between A and B. Here A point -1, -2 and B 1, 0. So write down the coordinates. x1 equals to -1, x2 y1 is equals to -2, x2 is equals to 1, y2 is equals to 0. So replace the coordinates in the given distance formula. Distance between A and B equals to root over x1 minus x2 -1 -1 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square means -2 -0 whole square is equals to square root of -1 whole square written as -1 -2, this is written as -2 whole square plus -2 0 means -2 whole square, this is written as -2 whole square. Now next step, square root of -2 square means -2 into -2 plus 4 plus -2 square means -2 into -2 plus 4. This is written as square root of 4 plus 4. Now next step, root over 4 plus 4 is equals to root over 8. Now root over 8 is written as 2 into root 2. This is the simplest form. Now distance between B and C. So what are the points of B and C? Here B 1, 0 and C -1, 2. So write down the coordinates. x1 is equals to 1, y1 is equals to 0, x2 is equals to -1, x2 equals to -1, y2 is equals to 2, y2 equals to 2. So replace the coordinates in the given distance formula. We know that distance formula is root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So let us find distance between B and C. So square root of x1 minus x2 whole square is written as 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is written as 0 minus 2 whole square. Next step, root over 1 minus of minus 1 whole square is written as 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 2. So 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2, we get minus 2 whole square. This is written as square root of 2 square plus minus 2 square. Here 2 square and minus 2 square also we get plus 4. Means 2 square means 2 into 2 plus 4. Minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. This is written as square root of root over 4 plus 4. Now next step, root over 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Root over 8 is written as 2 into root 2. Now let us find distance between A and D. So what are the points of A and D? D minus 3 comma 0 and A minus 1 comma minus 2. So write down the coordinates. X1 equals to minus 3, y1 equal to 0, x2 is equals to minus 1 and y2 is equals to minus 2. So replace the coordinates in the given distance formula. Now AD represents distance between A and D equals to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square or x2 minus x1 whole square. Mean x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus into minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 minus 2 minus 0 whole square. Now next step, root over minus 1 minus into minus plus 3. So minus 1 minus of minus 3 whole square written as minus 1 minus into minus plus 3. So minus 1 plus 3 you get 2 square plus minus 2 minus 0 we get minus 2 whole square. This is written as square root of 2 square plus minus 2 square. 2 square means 4 and minus 2 square also 4. This is written as square root of 4 plus 4. Now next step, root over 4 plus 4 we get 8. So this is written as root over 8. Now root over 8 is written as 2 into root 2 units. Coming to next point. Distance between C and D. Distance between C and D. So what are the points of C and D? Yes, C minus 1 comma 2 and D minus 3 comma 0. So write down the coordinates. x1 is equals to minus 1, y1 is equals to 2, x2 is equals to minus 3 and y2 is equals to 0. So substitute the coordinates in the given distance formula. We know that the distance formula is square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now CD equals to square root of x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1, these two are same. So x1 minus x2 minus 1 minus into minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus y2 2 minus 0 whole square. Now next step, root over minus 1 minus into minus plus 3 means minus 1 plus 3 you get 2. So 2 square plus 2 minus 0 means 2 square. This is written as square root of 2 square plus 2 square. 2 square means we get 4. This is written as root over 4 plus 4. Root over 4 plus 4 is written as root over 8. Now last, root over 8 is written as 2 into root 2 units. Now let us find distance between A and C. A and C. So what are the points of A and C? A minus 1 comma minus 2 and C minus 1 comma 2. So write down the coordinates. x1 is equals to minus 1, y1 is equals to minus 2, x2 is equals to minus 1 and y2 is equals to 2. So substitute the coordinates in the given distance formula. We know the distance formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now distance between A and C is equals to minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. This is written as root over minus 1 into minus plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 we get 0 square plus minus 2 and minus 2 we get minus 4 square. So this is written as root over 0 square plus minus 4 square. So 0 square means 0 and 0 plus minus 4 square means minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. So 0 plus 16 is equals to 16. This is written as root over 16. So what is square root of root 16? 4. So root 16 is equals to 4 units. Now find distance between B and D. This is the another diagonal. Already AC represents one diagonal and BD represents another diagonal. Here B 1, 0 and D minus 3, 0. So write down the coordinates. x1 is equals to 1, y1 equal to 0, x2 is equals to minus 3, y2 is equals to 0. Replace the coordinates in the distance formula. We know that the distance formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So substitute the coordinates. Distance BD is equals to root of x1 minus x2, 1 minus of minus 3. So x1 minus x2 whole square is written as 1 minus of minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus y2 means 0 minus 0 whole square. Now next step, root over 1 minus of minus 3 written as plus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 0 minus 0 written as 0. Now next one, root over 1 minus into minus plus, so plus 3 whole square, 1 plus 3 equals to 4 square plus 0 minus 0 square means 0. Here root over 4 square plus 0 square, 4 square means 4 into 4 16 plus 0 square means 0. Root over 16 plus 0 equal to root 16 equals to 4 units. Now what do you observe? Distance. It can be observed that all the sides of quadrilateral are of the same length and also the diagonals are of the same length. Here AB, BC, CD and DA or AD. These all sides are, all distance between all sides are equal and diagonals AC and BD also equal. Therefore, given points are at the vertices of a square. Coming to next question. Find the point on the x-axis. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. What is given question? Find distance, find the point on the x-axis which is distant, which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. Solution. Based on the question, find point on the x-axis. If any point on x-axis x, 0. Here any point on x-axis means that y coordinate is always 0. X is constant. For example, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. So these all points lie on x-axis. So now we have to find a point on x-axis. Therefore, its y coordinate will be 0. Since the point on x-axis and the coordinates are x comma 0, we have to find a point on x-axis what is equidistant from a 2 comma minus 5 and b minus 2 comma 9. So we have to find distance between x comma 0 and a 2 comma minus 5, and another distance x comma 0 and b minus 2 comma 9. So these two distances are equal. We know that the distance between 2 points is given by this distance formula, root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Let us find distance between P and A. So what are the points of P and A? Here P x comma 0. What are the points of P? X comma 0 and A 2 comma minus 5. We know that the distance between any 2 points x1 y1 x2 y2 is written as root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So write down the coordinates: x1 equal to x, y1 equal to 0, x2 equals to 2, y2 is equals to minus 5. So substitute the coordinates in the given distance formula. Root over x1 minus x2 means x minus 2 whole square, plus y1 minus y2 whole square means 0 minus of minus 5 whole square is equals to, this is written as root over x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus into minus plus, so 0 plus 5 whole square written as 5 square. This is the distance between P and A. And another distance between P and B. So here P x comma 0 and B minus 2 comma 9. Now PB distance root over x1 minus x2 is written as x minus x1 minus x2 whole square is written as x minus of minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square means 0 minus 9 whole square. Now next step, x minus into minus plus, so x minus of minus 2 whole square written as x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 means 0 minus 9 or minus 9 whole square or plus 9 whole square, these two are same. So this is written as root over x plus 2 whole square plus 9 square or minus 9 square, because minus 9 square means plus 81, 9 square also plus 81. By the given condition, these distances are equal in measure, means distance between PA and PB are equal. PA equals to root over x minus 2 whole square plus 5 square. PB is equals to root over x plus 2 whole square plus 9 square. So root over x minus 2 whole square plus 5 square, this is LHS. Root over x plus 2 whole square plus 9 square, this is RHS. But these two are equal terms. But equal terms having square roots. Now both sides square root cancel. So write remaining terms. What are the remaining terms? X minus 2 whole square plus 5 square means 25 is equals to x plus 2 whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. This is written as a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a equal to x, b equals to 2. A square means x square plus b square means 2 square means 4 minus 2ab minus 2 into a, x and b 2. So 2 into x into 2, we get 4x. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus 25 is equals to x plus 2 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a is equal to x and b is equals to 2. So this is written as a square means x square plus b square means 2 square. 2 square means we get 4 plus 2ab, 2 into x into 2. So 2 into x into 2, 4x plus 81. Again, LHS and RHS are having equal terms. That's why both sides are cancelled. X square cancel, plus 4 cancel. So write remaining terms. What are the remaining terms? Minus 4x plus 25 and 4x plus 81. Here minus 4x in LHS. So transpose minus 4x from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 4x. Now 4x plus 4x equals to 8x. So 81 in RHS place. So transpose 81 from RHS to LHS, it becomes minus 81. 25 minus 81. 8x equals to 25 minus 81 is equals to minus 56. Now x is equals to minus 56 divided by 8. 8 into 8 ones are 8 7s. Then x is equals to minus 7. Therefore, the point equidistant from the given point on the x-axis minus 7 comma 0. Now what do you observe? Distance between PA and PB. Here P minus 7 comma 0. Minus 7 comma 0. So distance between P minus 7 comma 0 and A point and minus 7 comma 0 and B point are equal. Distances are equal. So coming to next question. Find the values of y for which distance between the points P 2 comma minus 3 and Q 10 comma y is 10 units. What is given question? Find the value of y for which distance between the points P 2 comma minus 3 and Q 10 comma y is 10 units. Distance between PQ, what are the points of PQ? 2 comma minus 3 and 10 comma y is 10 units. Then find value of y. Coming to solution. Distance between A 2 comma minus 3 and B 10 comma y is 10 units. We know that the distance between the points, 2 points, is given by the distance formula. Root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So write down the coordinates. Here x1 equals to 2, y1 equal to minus 3. x2 is equals to 10, y2 equals to y. So substitute these coordinates in the given distance formula. Now root over x1 minus x2 whole square, 2 minus 10 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square minus 3 minus y whole square is equals to 10 units. This is given condition. Coming to next step. Root over 2 minus 10, we get minus 8 whole square plus minus 3 minus y. This is written as plus 3 plus y because multiplied by minus symbol. Minus into minus 3 plus 3, minus into minus y plus y. So minus 3 minus y whole square or 3 plus y whole square, these two are same, is equals to 10. So root over minus 8 square means minus 8 into minus 8 plus 64 plus 3 plus y whole square is equals to 10. Here root over minus 8 square plus 3 plus y square is LHS, 10 is RHS. Now LHS contains square root. So squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides, root over minus 8 whole square plus 3 plus y whole square equals to 10 square. Now square root cancel. 10 square means 100. Minus 8 square. Now next step. Minus 8 square means 64 plus 3 plus y and y plus 3. These two are same. So 3 plus y written as y plus 3 whole square equals to 10 square means 100. Y plus 3 whole square equals to 100 in RHS, 64 in LHS. So transpose 64 from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 64. So 100 minus 64, we get 36. Now next step, y plus 3 whole square to 36. Y plus 3 is equals to square converted into square root. Root over 36 is written as plus or minus 6. Now next step, y plus 3 is equals to plus or minus 6. This means y plus 3 is equal to plus 6 or y plus 3 is equals to minus 6. Now next step, y plus 3 is equal to plus 6. Now y equals to 6, this is plus 3. Bring plus 3 from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 3. And y plus 3 equals to minus 6. Y equals to minus 6. Bring plus 3 from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 3. So 6 minus 3, minus 6, minus 3. So 6 minus 3, we get 3. Minus 6 minus 3, minus 9. So what are the values of y? Minus 9 and 3. So these two are possible values of y. Minus 9 comma 3. Now next one. Coming to next question. Find relation between x and y. Find relation between x and y such that point x comma y is equidistant from the points 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. What a given condition? Find relation between x and y. Write relation between x and y. And point x comma y is equidistant from the points 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Now what do you observe? Find distance between x, y and 3 comma 6 and distance between x, y and minus 3 comma 4. So these two distances are equal. Now you have to write relation between x and y. Coming to solution. Let point P x comma y be equidistant from points A 3 comma 6 and B minus 3 comma 4. We know that the distance between 2 points is given by the distance formula root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. What is the distance formula? Root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Since they are equidistant, PA equal to PB, here P x comma y, A 3 comma 6 and B minus 3 comma 4. Here PA equals to PB, means distance between P and A equals to P and B. So here applying the distance formula, PA equal to PB. Applying distance formula, PA equals to PB. Now we get root over, this is the PA distance, x minus 3 whole square means x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square written as x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Next, PB distance root over x1 minus x2 whole square, x minus of minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Now next step, root over x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equals to square root of x minus into minus plus 3. So x minus of minus 3 written as x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. So this is the first term, root over x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. This is the LHS. And root over x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. This is RHS. But both LHS and RHS are having square roots. So because square root cancel. Now or otherwise squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means root over x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square root over x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Now square root cancel. What are the remaining terms? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equals to x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. X minus 3 whole square, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square means x square plus b square means 3 square 3 into 3 9 minus 2ab 2 into x into 3. 2 into x into 3, 6x plus y minus 6 whole square. Y minus 6 whole square. It is in form of a minus b whole square. A square means y square plus b square, 6 square, 6 into 6, 36, minus 2ab means minus 2 into y into 6, 12y is equals to x plus 3 whole square. It is in form of a plus b whole square. Is written as a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square means here x square plus b square means 3 square, 3 into 3, 9, plus 2ab, 2 into x into 3, 6x, plus y minus 4 whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square means y square, plus b square means 4 square, 4 into 4, 16, minus 2ab, 2 into y into 4, 2 into y into 4, 8, 8y. Now next step. Both LHS and RHS are having equal terms. So equal terms are cancel both sides. Right remaining terms. Here x square cancel. 9, 9 cancel. Right remaining terms. 36. What are the remaining terms? Minus 6x. Here y square cancel. Equal terms. So right remaining terms. 36 and 16 in RHS. So transpose 16 from RHS to LHS, it becomes minus 16 is equals to minus 6x in LHS place. Transpose minus 6x from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 6x. Now 6x plus 6x, this is minus 12y. Minus 12y in LHS place. Transpose minus 12y from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 12y and minus 8y. 36 minus 16, 20 is equals to 6x plus 6x, 12x plus 12y minus 8y, 4y. Now 36 minus 16, 20 is equals to 12x plus 4y. Now what do you observe? Each and every value is divisible by 4. 4 into 5, 4 into 3 and 4 into 1. So this is written as 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. So 3x plus y is equal to 4 into 5, 20. So this is written as 3x plus y equals to 5. So 5 in RHS place. Transpose 5 from RHS to LHS, it becomes minus 5. This is written as 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the relation between x and y. The relation between x and y is 3x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. Are you clear? In next session we will discuss section formula. Okay, thank you students.